During these uncertain times, Lakeland Ford is built to lend a hand. Purchase or lease any new Ford and make no payments till 2021. That's right, you'll make no payments till next year. We're also offering 0% financing for 72 months on all new Fords. Plus, Lakeland Ford will give you a nationwide lifetime warranty, unlimited time, unlimited miles. Because through it all, Lakeland Ford is here to lend a hand. Come see us today at lakelandford.com. In times like these, all of us at Lakeland Ford pay tribute to our heroes. We salute those who serve on the front lines to protect our loved ones. That's why, for first responders and healthcare workers, we're giving you an additional $1,000 bonus cash when you purchase or lease any new Ford. Plus, you'll make no payments till next year. Because we know in our community, heroes don't wear capes. They wear masks, uniforms, and stethoscopes. From Lakeland Ford to all our heroes, a heartfelt thank you for keeping us safe. During these times of uncertainty, Lakeland Ford Service Center is still open. For our service customers, we're offering complimentary pickup and delivery, or you can bring your vehicle to the dealership. To help protect our community, we'll disinfect your vehicle at no additional cost. We've also added enhanced cleaning measures at the dealership for your peace of mind. For all your essential repair and maintenance needs, please make an appointment online at lakelandford.com. Lakeland Ford, we're open to serve you today. In times like these, one thing remains certain. We are all in this together. Together we thank those who keep us safe, those who keep us healthy, those who continue to educate, those who allow us to eat, those who are innovating, and those who focus on helping others. We all know we'll get through this together. At Lakeland Ford, we salute everyone who has brought us together and our employees who have made our dealerships an even safer place for our customers. Their dedication has allowed us to be here to help with all your essential automotive needs. For those who are in need of a vehicle, Lakeland Ford is offering no payments till 2021 and 0% financing for 84 months. To make it convenient, delivery can be set up at your home or at our dealership. As we get through this unique time, it will make us all stronger, better, together.